Introduction to Milling versus Cutting. In manufacturing, cutting is an umbrella term that encompasses all subtractive processes, in which material is removed to achieve the desired shape. Examples include turning, milling, drilling, laser cutting, plasma cutting, and waterjet cutting. Cutting can be divided into two categories. 1. Rotating workpiece method, where the part spins against a stationary tool. 2. Rotating tool methods, where the cutting tool rotates, while the workpiece remains fixed or moves linearly. Milling is a specific type of cutting that uses multi-edged, rotating tools to remove material from a fixed workpiece. This process allows for multi-axis motion, making it ideal for creating complex geometries, such as 3D surfaces, cavities, and contours. CNC milling involves rotating multi-fluted tools against a stationary or partially mobile workpiece. Milling machines with 3, 4, or 5-axis movement can handle intricate designs requiring precise tolerances. CNC milling can be divided into two categories. The tool rotates along the Z-axis, making it ideal for drilling, boring, and tapping. The tool rotates horizontally, making it better suited to handling large parts and hard materials. Unlike milling, CNC cutting typically involves separating material using linear energy paths. This uses focused laser beams for precise cutting of thin sheets, uses plasma arcs for cutting conductive metals such as steel and aluminum, uses a stream of high-pressure water mixed with abrasives to cut thick, heat-sensitive materials such as stone, rubber, and glass. Milling suitable parts, engine blocks, molds, implants, gears. Parts suited for cutting, sheet metal panels, signage, brackets, and gaskets.